Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon to my honorable teacher, respected judges, and all of my friends. This is Chaman Sheikh, and I'm standing here for represent our batch. I'm from batch number 60, and my ID number is 2374. It's great honor to stand before you and share my thoughts on the topic of the method of learning English. Well, in Bangladesh, we know that English is a mandatory subject for everyone, but it's a matter of sure that after completing their academic course for more than 12 years, the students of Bangladesh don't know how to speak English fluently. They don't know how to speak English naturally. For this reason, whenever they want to go abroad for their higher education, they have to take their English International Language Testing System. It's called IELTS. For this reason, they go to any institute for taking their exam. But for what? Because they don't know how to speak English properly, how to speak English naturally. That's why they go. In this contemporary world, we know that English is not just a language. It's a global bridge that can connect people's, their thoughts, their minds, also their opportunities. This can help us, English can help us people to build communication with each other. They know how to communicate with themselves and with their friends. Also, sometimes English method does not require many kinds of memorizing vocabs and grammatical structure. Sometimes it demands a lot of normal things like simple, consistent, and enjoyable words that can help us to talk naturally. For most, the best way of learning English is through immersion. You have to practice English as much as possible, and always remember that don't afraid to make mistakes, because mistakes prove that you were just try to speak English with your friends, with your teacher, and all of your colleagues, and even you to self in front of camera and in front of mirror. Don't be afraid, and by using this method, this can help you to work and use English fluently. This method is more efficient than that one. For example, I can talk about English Fantasy Institute. There are many indoor and outdoor sessions. Students can learn many kinds of things. In these things, there are many helpful and unique stations like indoor and outdoors. It's such exceptional facilities. Students can improve their English, and also they can improve or enhance their English level. They can speak properly in their any kinds of place. The facilities of English is speaking English in English Fantasy is really good. After coming here, within 21 days, any people can speak English properly. To conclusion, we can say that this method of teaching English is simple but it's powerful. All of our teachers, all of our mentors tell us to read more, write more, listen more, and write more, because we know that a good listener can be a good speaker. For this reason, we have to speak more and more, and don't be afraid of making mistakes, and try to speak properly, and don't stop practicing, and never give up. Thank you so much. This is